Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute, no equipment, side ab, obliques workout. So we have 5 exercises that we're going to repeat twice. Each exercise will be 50 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of break. Since it's no equipment, we don't need any weights, but don't forget your mat. If you have a mat, have your mats ready, and also your water and your towel. Everything's gonna be low impact, and also if you enjoy this workout, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. Okay guys, if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 10분 맨몸 옆구리 살 빼는 운동을 해볼 건데요. 집중 운동을 해볼 건데요. 그래서 오늘은 5가지 운동을 2세트 해볼 겁니다. 각 운동은 50초 운동과 10초 휴식으로 이루어지며 오늘 필요하신 거는 매트만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 대신 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 마시고요. 오늘은 층간소음 없는 동작들입니다. 그리고 이 운동 영상을 즐기셨다면 좋아요와 구독 꼭 부탁드리고요. 알람 설정도 꼭 눌러주세요. 자, 그럼 여러분 준비되셨으면 시작해 보러 갈까요? Get ready everyone. Big arm circles. Reverse it for 3, 2, 1, hamstring curls. 4 kicks, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hamstring curls. And here's tiger. Tiger. Tiny. Hip openers, 3, 2, 1. Other way, 3. Other side, and hands on your shoulders, rotate for 3, 2, and 1. Jog it up for 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go and get started. So first exercise, we are doing left side curtsy to knee lift. 50 seconds, here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Curtsy to knee lift. Modified curtsy, tap the floor, knee, tap the floor. Keep going. Take a break, right side, number 2. Ready? And knee. Good. So right here in your oblique. Oh my goodness.
Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel the way I do about you. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe.
And next one, we are doing side plank dips.
Words only meant for me to hear.
Elbow right below the shoulders.
Promise that your secret's safe with me.
Hips facing forward.
You're the only
Now
reason.
modification.
You're the only
You're going to keep it right here.
Baby, you're the answer
Tiger.
to my prayers.
Right
Feeling
here.
like the world's in our hands. Now
Other
I know
leg.
that this is meant to be. You're the only reason. You're the only reason I'm free.
Tiger. Okay, bicycle crunch next.
You and I could run away now. You and I could be on our way. Pack our bags and take this love to a different place now.
Make sure you're not pulling on your head. Other side plank twist. Okay, modify, stay here.
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. He didn't love me right, he told me I was blind, but I never really wanted to listen.
Okay, get water. Back to continue lift, here we go, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Okay, side plank dip.
Like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall,
a break.
every day.
Bicycle crunch,
I
guys.
was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the
Okay.
day.
Other side.
Yes, I'm the winner, yeah.
This is it.
'Cause I'm the winner, yeah.
4.
Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look
Inhale.
back.
Exhale.
And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw
Break
the
is happening here.
clouds looking angry, but then the
Oh my
sky
goodness.
reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory.
We are done.
You make me
Great job. Get water.
You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win in every way. Win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings.
Shake your arms out, legs out, shoulder rollouts, shoulder stretch. Other side. Back stretch. And up. Open. Right here. Quad stretch. And then take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. One more time. And we are done for today. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. Have a wonderful day and say thank you, Tiger. See you next time. Bye guys. Thank you.